Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. And I have finally found the perfect shampoo for me. Actually, somebody was listening, and dedicated a shampoo to Apex Detail. I am completely flattered, and I will share the experience with you. We're going to start with the foam lance, of course. Let's go with 2 ounces. This is a viscous, thick as honey formula. We'll get 2 ounces in the cup and pour it in the foam lance container. Fill the rest up with warm water, about close to 3/4 of the way up, and we'll get to work. Those of you that have followed the channel for quite some time know that I have been pining for a shampoo that just straight up cleans. No frills. No unnecessary scents or colors or dyes or gloss enhancers or carnauba or hard water fighting agents or anything that can mask the characteristics of a coating, which is what we do here every day. And someone finally delivered. And I'm going to show you the foam that you can create with your foam lance. It works excellent in the bucket and from a foam gun or cannon. Not sure about you guys, but that certainly works for me. And after 5 or 6 minutes or so, in a breezy, bright, sunny, gorgeous day, it's time to rinse. We've let it dwell long enough. Put the nozzle into rinse, point it down towards the ground, and test it. Make sure that nozzle is connected securely so it doesn't fly out. Hit a panel of yours on your vehicle or customer's vehicle and chip it or even dent it or both. It rinses away quickly and easily. You'll be around the car and get finished with the wash process, both the pre-wash and the contact wash, rather quickly. How long have I been asking for this, guys? And I finally have it. The fact that somebody took the time to listen to me and formulated for us or in honor of us or whatever you want to call it, I'm truly flattered and thankful, and I will be using it often. Time for the contact wash. You'll see it'll go in thick, clear ribbons, and this will take an agitation to get the suds to work up and mix in with your mitts. You guys know I do the multiple mitt wash method. And we'll load up with mitts, we'll agitate it, and we'll get to work. It's going to be the multiple mitt, 1 bucket method for me, no grit guard. The contaminated mitts from washing the vehicles never make their way back into the bucket, so it stays perfectly clear for multiple washes. 1 mitt for the top gets put to the side to be cleaned and dried for later, and then 1 for the driver's side, 1 for the passenger side, 1 for the front, 1 for the back, and a couple spares. As you can see, it foams up quickly. These are thick suds. They will not break down quickly in your bucket. And the most important thing for me, it's not the suds that cleans the car, it's the surfactants and Number 2 on the list is going to be the lubrication, and you can feel plenty of that. The dark roof is heated up from the sun and a light breeze, but you could take the mitt and it will glide across the top of the entire roof, which is plenty of real estate to cover, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. Tons of lubrication. These tops on the Range Rovers here are very soft. You have to be careful not to mar them, and this is the soap I would choose each time for a vehicle like this or any other. You're going to see here that the suds are not breaking down in the bucket, even sitting in direct sunlight. We're going to pick up a scoop of those in our mitt, get them onto the panel, the hood here, and we are washing in direct sunlight with a slight breeze. We're not in a hurry whatsoever. I have found, I don't know if it's intentional, but water spots are pretty much non-existent with this shampoo. Okay, time to rinse, and just like with the pre-wash, the contact wash is just as easy and quick to rinse away. You'll be around the car in no time at all. Efficiency, guys. Economical efficiencies. You don't need all the silly bells and whistles like bubblegum scent and the goofy colors. Just straight up cleaning power with a ton of lubrication. The shop manager, keeping an eye on me no matter where I'm at, inside or outside of the shop. We're going to dry it off, and we're ready to move on to the next step. Okay, finished with the wash process. I'm going to continue on, pull it inside, and finish the package. But I just wanted to share this with you. What you do with the information is completely up to you. We're going to carry it in our shop, our e-commerce store. That's apexsurfaceprotection.store. I'll have a link down below. I want to try and get a nice catalog together for you, so it's pretty much a one-stop shop. It's not just all about me. I'm thinking of you guys. It's not going to be all of my products on the store, guys. It's going to be a compilation of some hard to find, but very effective, very economical, and very interesting products for you to choose from. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you guys in the next video.